Hello there, I'm on a timber harvesting site in mid-Wales, and we have in the background here, I'm not going to get too close because we've got safe working distances, we've got a harvesting machine and a forwarding machine. So the harvesting machine is here, forwarding machine is there. Come on out. Anyway, the harvester cuts the trees and the machine is run by hydraulics and diesel and a very experienced operator who can assess the quality of the crop and work with the computer to maximise the products coming off the trees. So you can see the logs here that the harvester has left next to the extraction route, and you can see the harvester is actually running on the tops of the trees. So the harvester cuts the tree at the base, picks it up, runs knives along it to take all the branches off, and then it'll take the top of the tree off, put it in front of it so it can drive on it and protect the soil, and then the operator will work with the computer to maximise the fencing products and the logs and the bars and the chipwood, so that we get the most recovery from the trees on this site. And then the forwarder on the far side over there, that's essentially a tractor and trailer, and it travels the brash mats so that we're not damaging the soil, and it picks up the produce and then takes it to the other end of the site, which is over here. What you can see there in the background is a stern track with log stacks by it. Now that stern track there, we've built that to access this site. So basically a 44-ton timber wagon can come into the wood, turn, reverse down there, load up, take 25 tons of timber, and then turn out and then turn onto a public road and head off to the mill to deliver the product to market. The important point I want to make in this video is the professionalism of all the operators. So whether it's the harvester operator who can operate the machine safely when it's got a 250 metre risk zone on chain shot and a 2 tree length risk zone for all its other operations, or the forwarder operator who may be carrying 16 tons of logs on difficult terrain, they're all very competent mechanics and hydraulic engineers who can repair their machinery. They work long hours in quite solitary conditions, and that combination of dedication, expertise and a mindset for delivering a productive day is something to be admired across the industry. The same for the lorry drivers as well, who drive long days, usually deliver 3 to 4 loads a day depending on the distances that they're travelling, and contend with traffic and all the vagaries of drivers like me on the road and everyone else. So shout out to all the professional operators in the timber harvesting industry. My name's Andrew Sorby and I'm your friendly neighbourhood chartered forester.